এখানে it is not.
I believe that corruption has been one of the major obstacles to economic, political, and social progress of our country. I believe that all stakeholders, such as government, citizens, and private sector, need to work together to eradicate corruption. I realize that every citizen should be vigilant and commit to highest standards of honesty and integrity at all times and support the fight against corruption. I therefore pledge to follow probity and rule of law in all walks of life, to neither take nor offer bribe, to perform all tasks in an honest and transparent manner, to act in public interest, to lead by example exhibiting integrity in personal behavior, to report any incident of corruption to the appropriate agency. So we've already taken this place, but I would only request all of you that we do many things as a matter of routine. We think that it is a routine or a ritual that we have already observed, but there is no need to be extra vigilant, and we don't have to observe whatever we utter. But that's not true. As we have already said, that corruption is the biggest challenge before the nation. It's true. Not that we are taking this pledge and so we are saying. Corruption is a threat to governance, is a threat to the national security, and is a threat to the progress and growth. Internationally, it has been proved. Unfortunately, the way we should react, the kind of anguish that should cause because of the corrupt practices, is not seen in the practice. In fact, nobody looks askance at a corrupt person or a corrupt official or a corrupt politician, because corruption has acquired a very high degree of acceptability. This is very unfortunate that a person who has earned fortune by unfair means, by corrupt means, has got a kind of acceptability because he is able to dish out many things to his relation, to his kin, and to others, and we think that a person is very generous. That's not true. And the kind of inequality, the gap between the rich and the poor, that is widening, corruption is a major cause behind that. So my humble request to all of you is that it should not only be ritual, but we should really observe the pledge that we have taken.